Hello everybody. So today we are going to be working on counting by tens. Before you watch this video, make sure you watch your counting by tens song that is linked on Canvas. But after you do that, let's go ahead and we can get started here. So first things first, we want to make sure that we know how to count by tens and what it means to have groups of 10. I think it's important for all of you to know how many cubes are actually in this picture that I have for you guys right here. Shouldn't be too tricky for you based upon what we are talking about, but go ahead and have your teacher pause the video and then share out how many cubes do you see here. That's right, we have 10 cubes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 cubes. Here we have one group of 10, right? So let's see what happens when we start adding more groups of 10. This is where counting by tens comes in handy. So we have one group of 10, then we have two groups of 10. Let's take a second and think to ourselves, how many cubes do we see here? We see 10 cubes, 20 cubes, two groups of 10. What happens if we add a couple more groups of 10? 3 groups of 10, 4 groups of 10. Let's count how many tens we have together. Remember, we are counting by tens. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 cubes for 4 groups of 10. All right, let's add a couple more. We have 5 groups of 10. We have 6 groups of 10. All right, if we have 6 group of 10s, go ahead and have your teacher pause the video and discuss how many cubes do you see in 6 groups of 10? That's right, there are 60. So let's go ahead and count this out together. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 cubes in 6 groups of 10. All right, let's add some more. Now we have 7 groups of 10, 8 groups of 10. All right, go ahead and pause the video again and share with your teacher how many cubes do you see in 8 groups of 10. If you said 80, that's correct. Let's count this together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. We have 80 cubes. All right, let's go ahead and add a couple more groups of 10 before we move on to bookwork. All right, so if I add 2 more, so we have 9 groups of 10 and 10 groups of 10. All right, let's count how many cubes together. We're going to count how many cubes that we see here together. Sorry about that. So if we count by tens, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. We have 100 cubes here. So again, it is so important that we remember how we count by tens when we're working with groups of 10. 10 groups of 10 is 100. All right, now we are moving on to bookwork. So the first thing that I want you all to do is go ahead and have your teacher pause the video and first count by tens together. Then each of you will have one turn to share out how you count by tens. So let me go ahead and show you one time. So you'll share out like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. All right, so make sure first you count as a group, then each of you will count out loud individually. So go ahead and pause your video and share out. All right, good job, everybody. So now what you're going to do is your teacher will pull up the assignment that you will do together, and you will complete this page here.